Hold on, bro. I'm going down this way. You feel me? But what I enjoyed at 19 versus 22, even 6 months ago, bro, even to the beginning of this year, is like super different than what I did like, what I did enjoy, what I thought I would want to do with my life. Like, I have still to this day no idea, or maybe even what I like to this day may not even be like my final plan. Like, I may not even do YouTube in 2 years. Like, I may be doing YouTube, meet somebody in my life, and then like eventually find a different plan, meet somebody, and that person gives me an opportunity to like drive cars, and I don't have to make videos, but all the money's there. You know what I'm saying? It's like you may just run into somebody one day that just changes your life forever. So that's like why you treat everybody how you want to be treated and all that shit. It all literally ties back into that, because you know, you may be making a YouTube video. Let's say you want to make YouTube videos your whole life, and that's fine. Like, literally, I love YouTube right now. This is my favorite thing to do besides like ride bikes. But fortunately, just take your hobby, throw a camera behind it, and see what you can do. You know what I'm saying? Like, record driving. If you like your cars, don't watch the numbers, because the numbers is going to hurt you, or watch the numbers and you may be someone that just blows up overnight. You know what I'm saying? Like, you never can relate your progress to that person's around you. That's what's cool about life, bro. It's like a video game. You know, we can all be in the same place, and I can go in that gas station the same time as that person and get a completely different experience than the people in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can go in this place, have a great time, and the person that walks in the door behind me may have the worst experience of their life. That's what life is. So you can't like take that person right there, for example, take their opinions and ideas, and they may have gone through a wholly, completely different life than you, or may have met someone somewhere where you've met the best person, but they met the worst person in their life. And sorry, bro. Trying to cut up right now, and I got one hand driving the manual. This is the only reason. Like, if I could go this car in a McLaren or a Porsche, it's wraps, bro. Like, I love driving this car, but it's like I've just been messing around with my phone. If y'all like the quality of this or my GoPro, or the angle of this versus the GoPro, I just feel like my quality right here is a lot better. Also, I can show y'all everything. Y'all say I'm in the ceiling so much on the GoPro, so I've been holding my phone. Obviously, it should be back here, but y'all know, like, that ain't perfect, bro. My arm's getting tired right now just holding it. But yeah, I've been going on a long tangent. This was like POV drive through the hood to in downtown now, and I'm giving y'all real shit. But if y'all want the real shit talk, I'm telling y'all, I can give y'all the real talk. I've been super, like, that's like a good example of what I mean. Like, I started this YouTube and I started listening to like motivational, inspirational shit, and you try to always try to do what you love and put your own spin onto it and do it your own way. You know what I'm saying? And do it your own way, be your own person. And I've never seen no inspirational shit in the cars, really. Like, you know, reels, you got real shits like that, and people putting words on it, but you don't got like big body bends right there. You don't really got too much like motivational talk like that. Like, you get the S560, I don't like people type shit, but I thought it's S550. That might have been an S550, but S550, I don't put myself in the S550, I don't like people type shit. What the fuck, boy? Someone just died on my eyes. Nah, we following them. Look, cheat code. Look at this shit, boy. Look at this shit. Oh. Nah, I was gonna follow them. Like, literally, if you get in front of them, I think they probably just did that shit because they're bored. I don't know. Could be capping. Be safe, though, twin. But, forgot what I was saying again. Oh, worm body ass. Look at this. I'm about to get smoked. But, like, I've started to enjoy the inspirational shit, and people do the motivational talking, and you get the segments here and there. But it's like, I'll be actually trying to give y'all real deal all the time. Like, you know what I'm saying? Try to be for real with y'all boys. Give y'all the life shit. So if y'all want the life POVs, the life POV drives, you know what I'm saying? Live POV, sorry, I'm trying to get people's reactions. I'm over here like making the supercharger go dumb, but Nobody's giving me a reaction. But if you do, like, sorry, bro, I'm like stuttering a motherfucker. I'm gonna probably have to cut all that out. But the life shit, like, you go through things in life and like, sorry, I'm letting the Z talk right now. Z talk, man. Z talking. But I've been through life, and I grew up as a kid playing baseball. This is like just random spill POV, like just trying to fill up all the talking segments and all the sitting at red light segments. But I used to really play baseball, really like baseball growing up, did skateboard and all that. Now I'm finally starting to get back into skateboarding, but I've always been like, for some reason these past couple months I've been trying to get back into skateboarding. Peace. Like, y'all seen my videos. I've been making the videos now. Like, I've been at the skate park, been learning that. Unfortunately, I hurt myself. I fell trying to catch myself. My hand's almost better, but that shit was tight. Bruised all the way up to the thumb. Type couldn't move it. But anyway, your boy had to recover. You know what I'm saying? And it's weird. I grew up skateboarding all my life. All the skate parks shut down. And yeah, life got weird, bro. You start going into school, start getting into cars, you know, all that. And it's weird. Focus transpired from that to baseball, start playing baseball, even though I played baseball my life, but skateboarding at the time was like on top, you know what I'm saying? Start playing sports, and well, apparently, like, I got cut from the team type shit, like super crazy, like saying I was small, but there was people on the team smaller than me. I was a lefty type shit. Like, I'm not saying I was him, but I felt like I should have been on that team, but whew, that bit popping, boy. But anyway, wasn't on the team, wasn't put on the team, and your boy ended up never playing baseball again. And this was like going from 8th to 9th grade, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to play baseball. I'm thinking that's raps. I'm trying to get my family member tickets, all that. Y'all know real life shit. Trying to be the next Derek Jeter on their dumbass. But instead, your boy in 9th grade didn't make it, you know what I'm saying? Ended up not doing nothing. Ended up starting to work. And that's kind of when I started getting into these cars, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, start working, getting the money. You know, growing up, I'm always like, hey, mom, bro, I'm trying to get a Vet. I'm trying to get a Camaro. I'm trying to get something crazy. Like, the Camry ain't cutting it no more, mom's. Like, first car was my mom's old Camry. Like, that shit fire, though. I still, every time I see it, that's crazy, because in the beginning, or earlier when we were in downtown, I pointed to that tan Camry. It was literally that Camry that I had. Like, same color, same body style, everything. First car. Then I got a Tahoe. Ooh, a bit popping. But got a Tahoe, thankfully, for Christmas. My dad pimped it out, bro. Put all the lights, all that weird extracurricular in it. Had subs, went dumb. High school went stupid, but started getting into cars, started working at Moe's, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, bro, Moe's is paying me type, I don't even know, $250 a week, $300 a week, maybe. Shit, if that paychecks was looking at like about $500-600 maybe a month from Moe's, you know what I'm saying? And I was clocking that thing every day, flipping hella chips. So if y'all know me from them days, that's like real OG, man, you know what I'm saying? I used to work Moe's throughout high school and ended up getting fired on some dumb shit. Got my wisdom teeth out, literally. And I was the type person that I come into work, bro, everybody's like always calling out, but your boy, it's his first job. You know, I'm a yes man. I'm gonna be there every time they call my dumb ass, bro. I'm not even knowing these 9-to-5 bots are trying to like not be here, be on the lazy shit. You know what I'm saying? My dumb ass just think I'm getting money, but baby, that shit started to suck dick, bro. I'm working like throughout the week. I'm working like all the time. So I'm already seeing a cop up here, so I ain't even gonna, y'all know how we coming. I'm about to get behind his dumbass. So is that person. Fuck it. We gonna pull up right beside him. I may have to pick up this vlog. Nah, we gonna just pimp it out like this. Y'all can see the Fed unit right here though. You know what I'm saying? Fed unit. Fed unit. Let's see if he gets behind us. Anyway, we gonna just try to keep vlogging, keep minding our business. But you know what I'm saying? Fuck, what was I even talking about, Chuck? Cop got me discombobulated, man. But I'm thinking like, you know, skateboard, I'm baseballing, all of that. I'm getting cut from the team. I'm just trying to pick up where I was. I don't even remember, chat. But I was going dummy.